Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Anker PowerConf S3 MS and I'm going to show you how to easily pair this speaker with your Android phone. So at first we have to power up our device with this button over here. We have to hold that ring on this button for a while. As you can see, our speaker is now turned on and now we have to go into pairing mode. To go into pairing mode, we have to hold our finger on this Bluetooth button over here. As you can see, we are now in pairing mode. Now we have to scroll down to the control panel, then hold everything on Bluetooth. Now, as you can see, Anker PowerConf S3 MS. We have to click on it and click pair. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye!